Here is a common problem. Sometimes you want to install a VPN, but your device does not support it. Examples: PlayStation, Chromecast, streaming sticks, etc. Introducing Flashed Router, a hardware VPN client. It tunnels any device connected to it to multiple locations of your choice. There is the Lite version, the Pro version, and the custom version, which comes with dedicated VPN IP address. Most people go for the Pro version, right in the middle. To buy it, just add to your bag and click Checkout. It's always free shipping anywhere in the world. And they accept all sort of card payments or PayPal. Next, we will see the VPN router in action. To connect to the router, make sure your Wi-Fi is on, and select Casper from the menu. The one-page manual also has a QR code to connect your smart devices to this VPN Wi-Fi. Once connected, open the router control panel in your browser. This is the router control panel. It's basically your VPN control center. Here you can review your Wi-Fi settings and set new password if needed. We will go ahead and select the new location to be London, UK. Then we check for leaks and confirm our new location is the UK. Confirmed. We can also go ifconfig website to check our internet address and confirm they are all matching. This means our VPN router is doing its work. To turn off the VPN, just connect back to your usual clear internet Wi-Fi. Your location will no longer be masked nor your IP address. And your VPN is now off, but you can always connect back to it. Please like the video for more contents like this. Thank you.